I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. Welcome. Today, we will build an intuitive picture of the three P's of artificial intelligence: perception, prediction, and planning. We will see what each part does and then tie them together in a simple self-driving example. Perception turns raw sensory data into useful, structured information. Think cameras, microphones, and sensors. The system takes inputs, finds patterns, and outputs things like detected objects, lanes, or transcribed text. Let us visualize a simple camera frame and show detected objects. Prediction uses patterns to forecast what might happen next. For a self-driving car, it might estimate where a bicycle or a pedestrian will be a few seconds into the future. Let us draw a simple predicted path for the bicycle over the next 3 seconds and show timestamps T1, T2, and T3. Planning chooses a sequence of actions to achieve a goal safely and efficiently. It uses the perception and the predictions to decide what to do next. We will draw a simple lane change scenario and compute a safe path that avoids an obstacle. Now, let us stitch the three P's together in a mini pipeline. Perception finds what is around us. Prediction estimates where those objects will move. Planning selects a safe, efficient path to the goal. Finally, we will compute a quick back-of-the-envelope timing example. Quick animation. Perception detects a pedestrian, prediction projects the path, planning chooses to slow and steer slightly left. Watch the sequence. To summarize, perception turns raw inputs into structure. Prediction forecasts how the world will evolve. Planning decides what to do to reach the goals safely and efficiently. Together, the three P's power modern intelligent systems. Thanks for watching.